Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna tell you how you can lock your Facebook profile. So we're seeing the trend where most of the people just lock their profile and they don't really need to make each and every of their posts private. So for that you just have to click on the Facebook, and after coming on Facebook click on these three lines at the bottom. And here click on see your profile. After that you'll have to click on these three dots with edit profile, and here search for the option lock profile, this one. Click on lock profile and you can just read the information, that is only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Not even a single post will be shown to the public, and only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and no one else can. But people will still be able to search for you and send you friend request. After that, just lock your profile, and shortly after you'll get this you locked your profile. Click on OK, and now only the people who are added with you will be able to see your profile. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.